Namaste and a cordial morning to honorable guests, respected teachers and parents, and of course beloved director sir and my dear friends. Well, my name is Rit Panda. I have been in Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan when I was just 7 years old. Right, I just came to here without any of the knowledge, and I was a hosteler from 2007 till 2018. My journey in Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan has been 11 years and it's still going on. Well, now when I stand in front of all of you, I feel extremely honored, I feel proud, and I am filled with gratitude to be standing in front of all my teachers who have shaped me to who I am today. This school feels like home. It's just like homecoming, right? And today when I am standing in front of all of you, I would like to say and pick a line from the introductory speech of Republic Day, that we are not studying for the exams, but we are preparing for the global world, right? So when you are tomorrow going to a global world and you are presenting yourself there, you are going to be facing a lot of challenges, and Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan is preparing you for all of that. Trust me when I'm saying this to you, that writing reports or participating in sabha, or when you are pushed out of your comfort zone every single day, it's not because of doing it and excelling it in today, but also you're creating a base for tomorrow. I wish you all the very best, because there is a lot to come. When you are standing in front of a gathering, when you are preparing yourself and communicating to a global world, where in today's world layoff has become just a blink, right? Layoff is just happening in a blink. You have to be very strong enough to communicate what you hold in your mind to the people out there, and they have in such a way that they will be understanding what you are going to speak, right? And all of your sabhas that is happening every single day, the seminar that you are listening to, the personalities that you are interacting here, it's just creating a base for you to excel tomorrow. When I was 7 years old and I came to Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan, I come from Odisha. I come from a district called Kalahandi, where we didn't have English medium school back then. So my touch in English was nothing. It was just I was just a rookie in English. And when I came to Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan, I got all the supports from all the teachers. I was pushed out of my comfort zone to participate in each and every sabha, to read the news in the daily assembly that happens, and my accent still had a Odia touch. And I used to feel bad at that time, but little did I know that today when I am standing in front of all of you, it is going to help me, and it has shaped me to such a great excellence. We say confidence is the key. Is it? Of course it is. We just doing your best in academics is not enough. It is also interpersonal skills, the soft skills that you are required to pursue. And Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan, I swear, is doing that. So teachers here are shaping us to face the global world head on. It is tomorrow when you go there, you need to have a ground, you have to have roots. So they are not going to see just the talent that you hold subjectively or theoretically. It is what you represent yourself. So I believe that I have been given and been blessed to be a part of Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan, because it has formed a very concrete base to me. Spiritually and being associated with my school roots, I say that in assembly we read the Bhagavad Gita, slokas from the Bhagavad Gita. Before lunch we are given a sloka to pray, being grateful to what we are being offered. I think those are something that has always stayed with me. And today when I go to the world, when I face challenges, I think being rooted, being grounded, being holded spiritually is something that I still take as a learning from my school. Not only that, being disciplined. So I was in hostel. So waking up 5 in the morning, then going to yoga, being prepared for the mess, and then to the school 5:40, and we had extra co-curricular activities, right? What does it do? it gives you a solid discipline. So when you are to yourself and there is no one to hold your account, it is you who have to hold yourself account. At that time, this disciplinary life of what you have learned here, the routine that you have formed and it is giving you, will obviously take care of all the challenges that you are going to encounter in the day. So I believe that whatever you are doing today, being exposed to various challenges as in the all the extracurricular activities, the sabha, the kind of atmosphere that you are being given here, a holistic growth. So it is already shaping you to fight and to win the global world. I always, when I was a child, sitting in front of, sitting like what you all are sitting today, I used to feel like, why do we have to write reports after every seminar? Why do we have to stand in front of all the teachers every time and give a introductory or to give a speech? Why do we have to do all those things? Does it even pay back to us? And today, after facing that, after crossing that phase, I can tell you that it is obviously going to help all of you. All the papers that we used to write as a daily report and teachers used to correct it and underline our mistakes, and they used to repeatedly telling us that no, tomorrow again you are going to perform because today's performance was not up to the mark. So they used to, before I realizing my potential, it was my teachers who realized my potential. It was them who believed in me more than I believed in myself. If I was left out when I came here, I don't think so today whatever I am doing today or whatever I have achieved today, I would have achieved. So not even knowing how to form a sentence in English, to being an author of a book, to publishing my second book very shortly, I am standing proud here. And I believe that the efforts were not mine, it was of my teachers initially, and it is compounding to me right now. So I really owe all my hard work, all my achievements to all the teachers here for the atmosphere that they have provided and for making me the person I am today, standing in front of you. I remember I was just telling director sir that during our last 10th class board exams, sir used to have a meeting. I'm sure that he is still having the meeting with all of you. So he showed us a quotation and a video of Sachin Tendulkar with an attitude that stated a never giving attitude. And he told that tomorrow I want all of you to be a guest of my school. So that stayed with me. It was me and my friend, after going out, we pointed to the board and we told that someday we are going to be here. So that idea was planted by Director sir, so thank you so much sir. Long to go and long to achieve. I promise you that I will make my school more proud. And thank you so much. Apart from that, during my MBA first year, I and my friend, we started a business, a small business that didn't go up to the mark, but we learned a lot from that, right? And it was out of, within 4 months, we were able to double what we have invested. But unfortunately, due to certain circumstances and not being prepared, we had to shut the business. But what was it about? It was about never giving attitude. And when I reflect back, again jots down to my school. When again it comes to the same thing. I am a taekwondo. I always used to pursue taekwondo, and it started from Shri Prakash Vidyaniketan. Ramesh sir, taekwondo sir, I think he is in other branch. So I was at that time, I didn't have a confidence to go and play my district level or my state level, anything. It was them who saw the talent in me. I think a quote that well justifies teachers is that it is them who has to light a candle, and the candle then spreads. They have to see the light within our children and they have to light it. I think it is my teachers has very well done it. So right now, when I got failed in the business, and again the same, I reflected back to my taekwondo when I didn't do good. I failed the district level and I was very sad for that. And it was teachers who pushed me again, who told me that you can do it, who gave me that motivation to do it again. And well, I stand in front of you today as a taekwondo black belt, and that never giving attitude to show up every single day, no matter what was yesterday, no matter how bad you fell yesterday, you have to get up again. I think that again, it jots down to the roots of Sri Prakash Vidya Niketan, of teaching students to not give up and show up again and again. If I speak, I can keep on speaking. I can keep on adding the lessons that I got from here. And I am really proud seeing all of you, and I know somewhere within me that all of you are going to do great in your life, because your base is already being prepared in a way that you are going to overcome each and every challenges. So just focus and follow the curriculum no matter what. Well, Shri Prakash gave me the most core memories of my life. 11 years in this school has taught me something that I believe and I think no other way I could have learned. More than my home, I spent my time in Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan. So I am in debt to my school, and today standing in front of all of you makes me really proud, because and I believe that tomorrow I'm going to see a lot of you standing here giving a speech more better than me, or achieving more than what you think you can say. So thank you each and everyone. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am, thank you everyone for making me the person I am today, for giving me wings to fly. My parents, of course, for choosing Shri Prakash Vidya Niketan and obviously having faith in me. Teachers, for believing my potential before even I could see that I had something to give back. So thank you each and everyone, and happy Republic Day. Thank you.